more troublesome. That is the dirty water tank. By far the best of all three was the spills or a lot of solid debris in air, and that's really helpful. With the iFloor, which doesn't